Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Ripple pursues expansion plans amid ongoing SEC rift, but where does XRP stand? It seems as though Ripple, XRP, was focused on moving ahead rather than remaining in a ceaseless legal battle against the US SEC. In the 18th of November interview with CNBC, Ripple's general counsel, Stuart Alderoty, revealed that Ripple no longer makes most of its revenue from the United States. Ripple broadening its reach. Alderoty noted that the blockchain payment firm's operation outside the US has been responsible for the majority of its income. All this while confirming that Ripple was actively pursuing a virtual asset service provider, VASP, license in Ireland. Not minding the state of the case with SEC, Alderoty said, however, despite the disclosure, XRP failed to remain in positive dominion. At press time, CoinMarketCap's data showed that it had lost 0.76% of its previous 24-hour value. In addition, an assessment of the network growth showed a massive turndown. According to data from the analytical platform Santiment, XRP's network growth had fallen to 4,264 despite hitting a high of 9,827 on the 13th of November. At this condition, it implied that XRP found it hard to attract new addresses to the blockchain. The above data also portrayed the status of the market value to realized value, MVRV, short and long-term difference. At press time, the value of the MVRV short and long-term difference was minus 16.82%. This meant that short-term holders were in higher profits than long-term investors. Hence, long-term holders might need to be tolerant of the crypto winter if they intend to make significant profits from the price drawdown. Should investors continue hodling? Information from the on-chain platform Santiment showed that recent XRP buyers might have bought the short-term top. This inference was due to the high value of the realized market cap HODL waves, as it rose to 2.713. However, the stock-to-flow ratio decreased to 71,900 at press time. This state implied that there were fewer XRP in circulation. In addition, the active supply was scarce when compared to the asset's total supply. Finally, Alderoty told CNBC that Ripple was expecting a final ruling on the case in the first half of 2023. He also stated the firm was working closely with the regulators despite the strained nature of their association. XRP price might offer discount in short term as signal flashes. An opportunity may soon present itself for XRP dip buyers if the scenario portrayed by the TD sequential indicator plays out in the short term. According to Ali Martinez, a crypto analyst, the TD sequential flashed a sell signal on XRP's 4-hour chart, which might suggest an incoming price decline to $0.368 or even $0.341. At its current price, a drop to $0.341 would represent an 8% discount. At the time of publication, XRP was trading at 38 cents after touching lows of $0.375 in today's trade. While marginally down in the last 24 hours, XRP is up 2.58% in the last 7 days, outperforming the top 10 cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, XRP might squash the negative sell signal if the market trends are higher in the coming days. An inflow of positive news into its ecosystem might as well aid the XRP price performance in the short term. As seen on its daily chart, XRP might persist in its current range with support at $0.319 and a barrier near 40 cents as the RSI has flattened below the 50 neutral mark, suggesting a period of consolidation. There are several ways traders could approach the XRP price action in the coming days. A breach past the 40 cents barrier located near the daily MA200 might spur a new uptrend with targets near the MA50, 46 cents, and then the 51 cents mark. On the contrary, XRP has confirmed support near the 32 cents mark, having failed to sustain below here on 2 occasions. XRP whales in accumulation spree. Crypto data tracker whale alert points to the flow of a significant amount of XRP in the last 24 hours. The most notable was the fact that 239 million XRP worth $90,949,248 moved between wallets. Meanwhile, Another 30 million XRP worth $11,385,343 was moved from the crypto exchange Bittrex to an unknown wallet. Two transfers of 39,999,550 XRP worth $15,217,321 and one of 42,231,481 XRP valued at $16,060,073 moved from Bitstamp to unknown wallets were reported by Whale Alert. Ripple, biggest financial conglomerate of Australia, implements XRP standard. Ripple's native cryptocurrency XRP has been designed in a way to facilitate instant cross-border settlements over the XRP ledger. In the latest development, the Bank of Australia's largest financial conglomerate, CommBank, said that they would be using Ripple's XRP and ISO 20022 standard for cross-border payments. It will start migrating all its cross-border to the XRP standard this month and shall complete the migration of all payments conducted over the next 3 months. The latest announcement came 2 days back as the CommBank published a post of scheduled maintenance. However, one of the followers inquired whether this maintenance was part of the ISO 20022 upgrade on the platform. Responding to it, CommBank said, "Ripple has been working with banking institutions to facilitate faster cross-border payments for a while. Its blockchain-based RippleNet is already very popular and used by more than 200 banking and financial institutions worldwide. The RippleNet solution already complies with the ISO 20022 standard, which is now becoming the de facto global standard for modern payments. To help enable this next step in global interoperability and meet the evolving needs of our customers, Ripple is now part of the ISO 20022 standards body. The first member focused on distributed ledger technology, DLT, said Ripple. Ripple's gateway to CBDC. Although this is an exciting development, CommBank is not the first Australian bank to adopt this interbank correspondence standard. Earlier this year in March, the National Australia Bank, NAB, started adopting ISO 20022 via RippleNet. Along with Ripple, only one other blockchain platform, Stellar Lumens, has adopted this standard. ISO 20022 is the global standard for exchanging electronic messages between financial institutions through the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT. This opens up the gates for both Ripple and Stellar to work on central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. The ISO 20022 will completely change the way how digital assets and fiat currency systems interact with each other. Earlier this year, Novati Group Limited, a Germany-based digital payments firm, announced a partnership with Ripple to issue an Australian dollar-backed stablecoin, AUDC. Also, the AUR stablecoin will soon be available on the XRP ledger. The Australian CBDC will also be compatible with other blockchain platforms such as Flare and Songbird. To facilitate high-value cross-border transactions, the European Union is also transitioning to ISO 20022 starting this month. Some experts believe that ISO-compliant cryptocurrency will change the digital asset landscape. They also believe regulators will ease their strict stance in dealing with ISO 20022 assets. XRP lawsuit. How many pro-Ripple amicus brief filed by deadline? XRP vs SEC Ripple lawsuit news. The deadline for filing amicus brief against Securities and Exchanges Commission ended on November 18. XRP vs SEC lawsuit news. The deadline for filing amicus brief in the XRP vs SEC ended on November 18. Ripple received a flurry of amici brief in its support from various companies in the crypto ecosystem. The pro-Ripple filings came from the likes of crypto exchange Coinbase and the Blockchain Association. The deadline marks a significant part in the case as the crypto community awaits the summary judgment in XRP lawsuit. XRP lawsuit amicus brief. How many for Ripple? Ripple received huge support from various parties in the lawsuit against the US SEC. By the end of day on deadline day of November 18, there were a total of 15 amicus brief in the XRP lawsuit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.